Hello students, in this video we will discuss about converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras. Converse of Pythagoras means just opposite of the Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem, the state is, in any triangle, if the square of any side is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides, then opposite angle of larger side will be right angle. That means that triangle will be right angle triangle. This is the concept of converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now we write mathematically, in any triangle, if the square of larger side, if the square of larger side is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides, then opposite angle of larger side will be right angle. That is, that triangle will be right angle triangle. This is the concept of converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now given here a triangle ABC in which AC is a larger side. That means given in triangle ABC, AC square means square of larger side is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides, means AB square plus BC square. Then to prove opposite angle of larger side, means opposite angle of AC is B, means angle B equal to 90 degree, or triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now doing construction, draw another triangle right angle triangle PQR, in which PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC and angle Q equal to 90 degree. That means we draw another triangle PQR, PQR, in which PQ equal to AB, QR equal to BC and angle Q equal to 90 degree. This is the construction. Now we start to doing proof of this concept. First we take in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. That means this triangle is the right angle triangle, so we can apply in this triangle Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by PGT means Pythagoras theorem. By PGT, we can write PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now we can see here PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC. That means PQ equal to AB. That means PQ replaced by AB. AB square plus QR replaced by BC. This is the BC square. By construction, PR this will be equal to PR square. This is the equation 1. But PQ square AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. This is the equation 2. Region that given. This is the given. Now you can see from equation 2, 1 and 2, RHS of both equations are equal. Since, I write here, since RHS of equation 1 and 2 are equal, therefore you can write LHS are also equal. That means PR square equal to AC square. PR square equal to AC square. Taking square root on both sides, therefore this will be equal to PR equal to AC. Now we take both triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we can see that AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and region of both are by construction. By construction, you can see here by construction PQ equal to AB and QR equal to BC, and AC equal to PR, just above proved. Here PR equal to AC, that means just proved. Therefore, by triple S congruency, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. So we can write by the CPCT angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, angle B equal to angle Q.
इसके नीचे मत लिखिएगा.
But I write here, but angle Q equal to 90 degree. Region by construction. By construction. Therefore, angle B equal to angle Q and angle Q equal to 90. So angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC will be a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. This is very simple question. This is very simple theorem, but this theorem is very important. Now in the next video, we will discuss about another concept related to Pythagoras theorem.